Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Excel with Sumit. In this video, I'll explain 3 ways of doing delimiter in Excel. Suppose you have a file which has a column which has two words combined. Here we have alphabets and then we have numbers at the end, and in between both you have hyphen. So here I'll explain how to separate the alphabets and the numbers which are separated by hyphen in between. In the first method, we'll select the cells which has a combined word. We'll go to data tab here. Then we'll go to text to columns here. We see that we have got a pop-up of delimiter. So now we'll select this delimited option here. We'll select next. Here we see that by default we have tab here. Suppose the delimiter in between is tab, then we'll select this. Suppose if the delimiter is comma, we'll select comma. But here, as the delimiter is hyphen, we'll select here other, and in this empty box we'll mention here hyphen. So we see here that as you mentioned hyphen here, the words got separated out. Now we'll press next. Here we need to mention the output column here. So here we'll select this cell here and we'll select this cell because the output has to be in this column. We'll again select this cell and then we'll press finish. Immediately we see that the delimiter have separated both alphabets and the numbers in separate column. This completes the first method. In the second method, we'll use a function called TEXTSPLIT. So we'll write here is equal to TEXT. We'll use the arrow and we'll go towards down and we'll select here TEXTSPLIT and then we'll press tab. We'll select this cell here. Now we'll press comma. Here the delimiter is hyphen. So in double quotes, we'll press here hyphen and then we'll close the double quotes and then we can close the bracket and press enter. We see that immediately the first cell got delimited and the two words are separated out. Now we can select this both cell and we'll drag the formula towards the bottom and we see that we have got the words got separated out in two columns. This completes the second method. The third method is slightly complex because here we are combining multiple functions. So first we'll find out what is the location of hyphen here. For that we'll write here is equal to search. So we see that when we write sc we got the search function here. Now we'll press tab. Now we want to find the symbol hyphen. So in double quotes we'll write here hyphen, we'll close the double quotes, we'll press comma. Here you have to select the cells in which we have to search the hyphen. So we'll select this cell and then we'll close the bracket. When we press enter, we see that we have got the location of hyphen here. Now to get the first word, we want to get all the words before this number 6. So we will double click this, we'll go in the starting, and as we need to get the left part of the word, we'll write a function called left, L-E-F-T, and then we'll press tab here. Now the text within which we want to get the first word is this. So we'll select the cell, we'll press comma and then we'll close the bracket here at the end and then we'll press enter. We see that we have got the word apple but we have got hyphen included here. So after the search word finishes, we'll go to that place and we'll write -1 because we want to get the left part of the word without hyphen. Now we'll press enter. We see that we have got the word apple here. Now we'll drag down the formula till the bottom. We'll repeat this activity, but here we want to get the right part of the word. So again, we'll write here is equal to search. Again, we will write in double quotes hyphen. We'll close the double quotes, we'll press comma and we'll select this cell. And now we'll close the bracket and press enter. We have again got the same number 6. Now we want to get the remaining part of the word excluding the first 6. So here we'll go to the function here. We will write another function called len, L-E-N. We'll press tab, we'll select this cell and then we'll close the bracket and we'll press minus and then press enter. Basically this will give the right part of the word after the hyphen. So it will give the length of the characters which are after hyphen. So here the length after hyphen is 3 digit. So we have got the 3 number here. Now we want to extract from the right 3 characters from the cell. So to do that, we'll double click this. We'll go in the starting. We'll write function write, R-I-G-H-T. We'll press tab here. Now we have to select the cell here. We'll press comma and then we'll go at the last and then close the bracket and press enter. We see that we have got the number after the hyphen. Now we'll drag down the formula till the bottom. We see that we have got the right output. Here we complete the 3 methods to separate a combined word based on a delimiter between the word.